In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to find events on Eventbrite. So it's a very simple process. You have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, open up a browser or an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. And on the web address bar, type in www.eventbrite.com/organizer, and here it's going to take you to the home page. If you're not logged in, make sure to log in by entering your credential, and over here you could see the interface something like this. So here you could go and tap the icon or the calendar icon looking right in the corner in the left hand sidebar. When you do that, it's going to take you to the events section. Over here, to see the events, you can go and select all events, and you can go to upcoming events. Over here you'll have all of the information regarding the events, your draft, your saved ones, and all that. And likewise, you could go and find the event on Eventbrite. So that's the simple procedure to find events on Eventbrite. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.